Hello, my name is Stefan Schmidt. I'm a textile engineer and I'm working in Germany for a textile association, IVGT. Our organization, the Industrieverband Veredelung Garngewebe Technische Textilien, it's based in Frankfurt because it's a central location, and from there we can reach all our members in Germany, in Austria, right through to France. The goal of the organization as a technical organization is to support all technical needs of our members. That starts with what kind of machine I need to produce, what new materials are on the market, what type of research is going on to produce another product in the future, and also the regulations who are coming up in Germany as well in Brussels, to translate them in words that our members understand. I am head of 3 departments, a department for spinning, for weaving and for technical textiles. That's, I always call, the dry production in textiles, and there everything which is needed for these 3 production ways. Currently we try to implement digitalization, a big task for the companies, as well as how to use artificial intelligence, and logically also what kind of materials are available, what new materials are developed, and how to transform also production and improve again the performance of the companies. The latest innovation I already mentioned, digitalization, is a big topic. We have information and process islands within the companies due to the machines and the processes in the past. And now to combine that, and also in the textile value chain, to connect the single companies in the chain with their suppliers as well as their customers. Textile ETP is an excellent platform for networking. I use it a lot to get information about what type of research is done, and that from Portugal right up to Sweden, over the whole European Union. And it's always a good place for networking, and over the years it become friends, and it's better to talk with friends as with someone you don't understand, and that's the place here with ETP. ETP, for me, it's networking, it's information, and it's collaboration with others.